If you want to turn any website into a standalone app inside Google Chrome, this guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. This is a super useful trick if you want faster access to a site you use all the time, like a project dashboard, email, productivity tool, or even your favorite web app. Instead of opening a browser tab every time, you can launch the site from your desktop or start menu just like a normal app. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and go to the website you want to install. This can be any web page you visit regularly. Once the site loads, look to the right side of the address bar at the top of the browser. Chrome sometimes shows a small install icon there, and if the website natively supports being installed as an app, this is the easiest method. If you see the install icon, click it. It usually looks like a small monitor with a downward arrow or a download style symbol. After you click it, Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation. Simply click install and Chrome will create a web app version of that website. After that, the site will open in its own window and behave more like a dedicated app than a regular browser tab. Now, if you do not see that install icon, don't worry, because you can still force install the page using Chrome's built-in menu options. To do that, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From there, hover over Save and Share. In that submenu, look for Create Shortcut, or on some versions of Chrome, you may see Install Page as App. The wording can change a little depending on your browser version, but the process is very similar. Click the option that appears. A small dialog box will pop up. Here, click Create. Chrome will then install the web page as a web app. In a few seconds, it should create a shortcut on your desktop, and it may also add the app to your Start menu or Applications list, depending on your computer. From now on, you can open that site directly from the shortcut without first opening Chrome and typing in the address again. When you launch it, the website will open in a clean standalone window without the usual browser tabs and extra clutter. That makes it feel much more focused and easier to use, especially for websites you check often throughout the day. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in your workflow, and that's how to install any web page as a web app in Chrome. Whether the site has native app support or you're using the shortcut method, you now know both ways to do it. If this tutorial helped you, please tap like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Chrome tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.